Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. On these days leading up to the last day of the Christmas season, on Sunday, the celebration of the feast of the baptism of the Lord, we won't be hearing any more infancy stories or Christmas stories that the Gospels would like to offer us. But we will be hearing a man, Jesus, doing already his ministry. Nagpapagaling, nagpakain ng mga tao kasama ang kanyang mga alagad. Valuing us that epiphany or manifesting will always be part of the life of Jesus. But before we point out that epiphany is always part of the life of Jesus, there came as well a first epiphany, most especially in today's gospel, that before the epiphany of Jesus came out, the epiphany of fear came out in the hearts and in the lives of his disciples. Natakot sila. Nakita ni Jesus na ang kanyang mga alagad ay hinahampas ng mga malalakas na hangin, ng malalakas na alon. Fear came upon them all the more when they saw that Jesus meant to pass by them, but these disciples thought that he was a ghost. Epiphany of fear came out inside their hearts and in their persons. Nasindi sa kanila ang sobrang takot dahil hinahampas na nga sila ng kalamidad, may akala pa silang nakitang multo. But Jesus made it sure that in every epiphany of fear, there will always be an epiphany of His presence. Tinuturuan tayo ng kwentong ito na kapag nangingibabaw ang takot, mas hayaan nating dumalaw ang Diyos upang tayo ay mapanatag. It is to give a validation to what St. John said in our first reading. Perfect love drives out all fear. Madami hong mga bago sa mga taong ito, marahil sa ating bilang tao, sa ating bilang komunidad. It is a new year, we will be facing new people, and whatever fear is inside of us. Fear that is unnamed, fear that shakes us, fear that worries us, fear that drives us down. Pero tinuturuan po tayo at pinapaalalahan ni Jesus na kapag natatakot, hayaan nating dumalaw ang mananakop sa ating buhay. When the epiphany of fear makes itself present, all the more let the overpowering epiphany of Jesus be present in our lives. Kapag natatakot, huwag pa nating dagdagan ng takot. Kapag nagdidilim, huwag dagdagan ng dilim. Kapag nabibigatan, hindi dagdag bigat ang sagot diyan. It is all the more the presence of Jesus that must be sought. That when fear would come upon us and would be present in our hearts, let our prayer be still. Come, Lord, visit us, be our peace. Remind us that it is you. Remind us to take courage. Remind us not to be afraid.